Hi all, welcome to my project. Multivariate time series analysis using Prophet. Here I am going to predict the stock price of SBI using the historic stock price daily data and sentiment of news articles. First of all, we are importing all the necessary libraries. Then we read the stock CSV file to a data frame using pandas. The most important thing to keep in mind while working with Facebook Prophet is that we must have at least two columns with column names DS and Y in our data frame. The column DS contains the date in datetime format. The Y column contains our target variable, in this case close price. So we are renaming the columns likewise. Now we import the data from our sentiment analysis and merge it with the original data frame with the common dates. The sentiment analysis will be discussed in the later part of this video. We now create an instance of our Prophet model. Here we are modifying the default parameters to suit our purpose. Note that keeping the parameters as default can also give predictions, but accuracy might be low. So we need to tune these parameters based on our requirement. We then add the polarity and subjectivity values to the model as additional regressors. Then fit the model and make future predictions. Here we are going to predict the next 10 days. We then extract the required columns YAT and DS and merge it with our original data frame. Now we drop the polarity and subjectivity column and make DS as our index for the ease of plotting. You can see that our model did fairly well. Now we can check the error. We are going to define mean absolute percentage error and use this function to compute error between actual and predicted. We see that our error value is only 2%, which is acceptable. Let's take a look at the sentimental analysis of news data as we did before. Import the libraries and read the CSV file. Then we use inbuilt pandas methods to get a brief overview of the dataset, the number of columns and rows, columns names and its data type and null value counts. We have to check for duplicates, if present, then drop the duplicates by keeping only the last value. Then we concatenate all the headline text column values of same date with the publish date column and sorting the dataset based on dates. We now conduct sentiment analysis using the text blob. Based on the polarity, we determine whether it is a positive, negative or neutral. For text blob, if the polarity is more than 0, it is considered positive, if it is less than 0 then it is considered negative and if it equal to 0 is considered neutral. Subjectivity quantifies the amount of personal opinion and factual information contained in the text. The higher subjectivity means that the text contains personal opinion rather than factual information. Lastly, we export the results to a CSV file for using with the Prophet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please provide your reviews and suggestions in comments below. Thank you.